Welcome to today's news. NPCIL to recruit for 284 apprentice posts. Details available at npcil.nic.in. The last date to apply is January 21, 2025. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL) has invited application for the post of apprentice. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of NPCIL at npcil.nic.in. This recruitment is for filling 284 vacancies in the firm. The last date to submit the application is on January 21, 2025. Vacancy details: Trade Apprentice 176 vacancy, Diploma Apprentice 32 vacancy, Graduate Apprentice 76 vacancy. Eligibility criteria: Trade Apprentice, ITS certificate in respective trade. Diploma Apprentice, Diploma certificate in engineering or technology granted by State Council or Board of Technical Education established by a state government or by a university or by a institute recognized by the state or central government as equivalent to a diploma in respective discipline. Graduate Apprentice, graduate degree in engineering, technology streams or general streams such as BA, BSc, BCom, etc. granted by a college or university recognized by AICTE or UGC, state government or central government. Selection process: the candidates will be selected for training on the basis of marks obtained in their ITI diploma graduation course. In case of tie in the percentage of marks, the candidates born earlier shall be considered. How to apply? Candidates can send the filled up applications to Deputy Manager HRM NPCIL, Kakrapar, Gujarat site, Anumala 394651 TA, Vyara District, Tapi, Gujarat. Eligibility, selection process and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website of NPCIL.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.